God bless you, children. Let us switch back to maths to exercise 1.4. As you can see, I have some straw pieces for you here. So, can you see these straw pieces? Okay. These straw pieces are of all different sizes. Now, you carefully see how I will arrange these straw pieces. In what order? Here. Can you see, children? I have arranged these straw pieces in some order. Can you see this order and tell me how I have arranged this? I began with the smallest straw first, then I eventually ended up in the biggest straw last. Can you see the arrangement? And can you notice one more thing, that when I was arranging the smallest straw first till the biggest one last, the straws are all increasing. Can you see? I began with the same level, and here this is the smallest straw, then the next, and I have arranged the biggest one last. Can you see? The size is always increasing. So this order is known as ascending order or the increasing order. Can you repeat after me? Ascending order from the small to the biggest. Smallest to the biggest, or from small to big. And this is order also known as increasing order. I hope you have understood this ascending order now. Now let me show you one more example with the same straws. Now again I will be arranging these straws but in a different pattern. Okay. So here you can see, children, again I used the same straws but I arranged it in a different pattern. I began with the biggest straw first and I arranged it in an order in which the smallest one came last. Now can you observe that the biggest one, when I arranged it first, they are all decreasing. The size is all decreasing. Here can you see the sizes are all decreasing? This order is called the descending order or decreasing order. What is it called, children? Descending order or the decreasing order. This order, when we understand from the big to the small, is called descending order. Let me show you one more example with the help of a video. So here, children, there is one more video for you to understand what is ascending and descending order. Let's meet Rahul. Can you see there are some steps here? And all the steps are numbered from 1 till 10. Now as you see, Rahul is trying to climb the first step, then the second, next he will climb the third one, then next he will climb fourth one, and as you see, he is climbing from the smallest number till the biggest number, and all these you can see it is increasing. Right from the smallest one, he tried climbing all the steps and he reached the last, that is the 10th one. And can you observe these numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10? They are all increasing. The order is increasing. So in this pattern, children, this order is called ascending order or the increasing order. Now we shall see Rahul wants to come down the steps. Let's see. He is standing on top, that is the biggest one, that is number 10. Now as he tries to walk down, he comes down from 10 to 9 and then 8, as you can see. Then he comes down to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and last 1. So now when you see, observe these numbers, when he came down right from 10, he moved on down and the numbers here were all decreasing. It were becoming less. So this order is known as the descending order or the decreasing order. We call this descending order or decreasing order. So I hope, children, that you have understood ascending and descending order with those two examples. I will try to solve exercise 1.4 with you, but I will only solve the first two in each and the next you will do as homework. The first question here is, write the numbers in increasing order. Can you see number 1? 72, 76, 71. Now which order we have to write? Increasing order. Increasing means small to big. That means the order was increasing. So here, for your understanding, you can write increasing order means small to big. Okay. Now here, can you tell me which is the smallest number here? As you can know, the first numbers are all same here, 7. So we shall compare the second number, the second digit, 2, 6, 1. So which is the smallest out of 2, 6 and 1? Very good. It is 1. So 71 is the smallest number. So we shall write here 71. Can you tell me which is the smallest number the next? 2 or 6? Very good. 72 is the smallest number. And last is 76. So this is a increasing order from 71, 72 to 76. You can see the order is increasing and this is known as ascending order or increasing order. Now can you see the second one here? 196, that is 196, 169 and 96. Now very clearly it is shown here, children, that the first two numbers are 3-digit numbers and the last one is a 2-digit number. So naturally the 2-digit number is the smallest. So we will take 96 first. The second one, 196 and 169. So shall we compare the two numbers and find out which one is the smallest? The first digit is same. The second digit is 9 and 6. So which one is smallest here? Very good, 6. So 169 is our next smallest number. Then the last one is 196. So we have arranged even the second one from the smallest to the biggest. That is the increasing order. Now the third, fourth, fifth and sixth, you shall do it for homework. Next, write the numbers in decreasing order. 18, 74 and 80. Now we have to write in decreasing order. Which order? Decreasing. That is from the big to small. Okay. So now we have to search and look for the biggest number. So can you see? The first one is First digit number is here 1, 7 and 8. Out of 1, 7 and 8, which number is the biggest? 8. So we shall write here 8080 is the biggest number. Next is 74. So that will be your next big number. And the last is 1818, which is the smallest. So this is our decreasing order. Can you see the order is decreasing? Yes. Let's do the second one. 134, 131 and 138. Here all the three numbers are 3 digits. So let us compare. The first digit here are all same. Let's compare the second one. The second digit are same as well. Okay, so we shall check the third one. Here it is 4, 1 and 8. Now we have to look for the biggest number. So which is the biggest number here? 4, 1 or 8? Very good. 8 is the biggest. So 138 is the biggest number. Now which one is the next biggest from 4 and 1? Very good. 134 is the next big number. And last is 131. So this is a decreasing order. 138, 134 and 131. I hope you have followed this, children, and complete exercise 1.4 in your book itself. Thank you.